turtle again, I bet you. Oh my God. Yes, it's got to be.
Reel it, reel it, reel it. Yes, you can, reel it.
My legs.
I can't do it. I've lost it. No, it's still
Here,
right.
Donna, here, you video. It's running.
I can't.
Reel it.
No, I got it between my legs.
I know.
We don't need that thing down there wearing that thing out.
That's where the
You
most,
can't
our
do
most
it like that.
strength
Come on,
is.
you
I can't hold it up
I'll
either.
help you. Come on, get up.
I think it's off, Deborah. It's off. Whatever it is, it's gone.
No.
Oh my God. My ass is killing
Get
me.
it.
Here, what do you want me to do this like Russell was
No,
doing?
I want you to quit.
Okay. Oh my God!
What is it?
It's
It's
a-
awesome fish.
Don't pick up, don't pick up.
Wait, Russell, you can lay mine
Where's
down
the
on
net?
Right here.
Your ass still hurting.
My ass is killing me. I think it's bleeding.
Y'all popped my hemorrhoids on the way out here one time.
No.
on y'all.
I got to go pee anymore. I'm wetting myself.
Oh, God. Okay.
Linda, how many fish does that make you caught?
2.
Hold it up there close to her face, sorry. Captain Russell.
Real?
Please tell me you get it.
I hope I am. I can't tell. I think I am.
Oh shit.
Where? See, you ain't even got no fish.
Yes, she does.
Oh, shit.
Real. Y'all
It's
gonna
real.
get screwed up pulling that line up like that.
There it is.
There,
Here, Linda.
keep her
Here
there.
it is.
Yeah, he is too.
Here. There, Russell.
There he is. Oh man.
Yay, Linda.
Well, let me sit down now.